Today we'll be going with the saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated. First, we need to know what is saturated and unsaturated. Saturated hydrocarbon contains these are made up of the single bond, and unsaturated which is made up of the double and triple bond. Even it is represented by this, like it's single bond, and this is represented by double or triple bond. Like in saturated hydrocarbons, their valency is fully satisfied. If we are taking carbon and its valency is 4, so it is fully satisfied in this single bond, like in saturated hydrocarbons. And if we are taking unsaturated, so their valency is also satisfied with the double and triple bond. So saturated hydrocarbons are like less reactive, and unsaturated hydrocarbons are more reactive. Now you must be thinking why these are less reactive and these are more reactive. Like that is because due to the presence of single bond. We have to always remember that if we just get an concept of saturated hydrocarbons, we must know like it's made up of the single bond. Between carbons there is always single bond, and these are more reactive because of the double and triple bond. So that is because due to the presence of double and triple bond, carbon is attached with the two, like this is structure of the double bond, and here I'm showing you the triple bond structure. That's like that. Of course, if we are studying organic chemistry, so we must know that they are alkanes, and they are represented by alkenes and alkynes, and they are having of course it is represented by general formula, that is CN H2 plus N. Like this is the general formula of alkanes, and alkynes and alkenes, it is represented by CnH2n. Like this is the general formula of alkenes. Now alkynes, its formula is CnH2n minus 2. This is the formula of alkynes. Okay, so now we are going with an example, that I'm taking example of propane. Its molecular formula is C3H8. So now let's see as an structure. Even you can see here there are the 3 carbons, and H3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 3, these are 8. This means like this structure is satisfied, and it's known as by single bond, and here it's also represented by single bond. Okay, so now have looked to the unsaturated hydrocarbons example, which is propane, and its general formula is of course the C3H8. Now we will see an example of unsaturated, that is propane, C3H8. So if you don't know, so we need to find it with this formula, CnH2n minus 2 and C3 hydrogen 3 to the 6, so 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So this would be the formula of propane. So now let's make an structure, that is C triple bond. So now let's count, like there are the 3 carbons, but still like hydrogen is only 1, so we need to even fix this. So there are H4, like hydrogens are 4, so we need to add H and 3 here. So this would be the structure of propane. So now this is the end of this lecture.